everyone, and welcome to Wilson Family Kitchen. Today we're making candied cranberries. So first, you want to start out by picking out all the squishy ones. Oh, here's one for example. We don't want that. No. Yeah, I recommend just try to do this. So the minute you feel a bit of squishy, it's a little bit squishy. Let's just say this. Any amount of squishy, bad. Yeah, we only want hard ones. And anyone else who's there, make sure they're not taking out the hard ones because they think they're not ripe. No, they're perfectly good for this. So look, this looks like it should be squishy. No. This one looks like it should be extremely squishy. It's hard. If it's hard, it's good. So now we're gonna make our simple syrup after making sure that all squishy berries are out. Remember, no squishiness. So first we're gonna start by adding water. Half a cup of water and sugar. All right. We're also supposed to put on medium heat, not boiling, when all the sugar is dissolved. And also we'll be mixing. Yeah, the simple syrup, we'll dip those in, but they're gonna get a bunch of simple syrup on it, and so the simple syrup's gonna crystallize on it. And then it'll be like candy, except cranberries. Yeah, simple syrup is purely just sugar and water mixed together in a hot pot. Oh, yep, it's definitely starting to dissolve. There's a lot less than half a cup in there. So now that all of our simple syrup is done, just gonna put these in. Yeah, like I said, when all the sugar's dissolved, take it off the heat. And yes, by the way, these are fresh cranberries. So we don't know if you buy some from the store. We don't know if there'll be squishy ones. So just always make sure to check. Now we just flip them over. Then we'll let them cool for an hour. Now we're going to, after they've been sitting for about a minute, we're now going to put them on a drying rack. Yeah, they'll just dry like this for an hour. And maybe they'll soften up because they have not changed one bit. Except for some brighter colors, that's it. Actually, no, darker. Sheesh. Odd. Drying rack. And yeah, that'll be all for now. So now after about an hour or two, we can finally just okay. Now we're gonna put this on them, and then we're gonna roll them around.
So what do you think we could use these for?
Drinks, a dessert, appetizer. Oh yeah, by the way, make sure to watch till the end for a post-credit because sometimes it's in there. Also, one of the newly posted ones, Firestarter, has a very good post-credit. So yeah, make sure to watch till the end. Okay, I think they're good.
All right, you gonna try one?
Let me just wash my hands. Let's go! That's really good. Has a lot of bitter, but also some sweet. That's good. Make it. Like and subscribe. Anyways, that's all for today. Goodbye. See you next time. push them.
Be careful, please.
Why? Quick fact. Did you know that Mount Vesuvius in Italy was actually supposed to be part of the African tectonic plate? But yeah, my dad's a slow editor. So yeah, I